Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Now, I am reading for you one of the moral stories, which is about the stubborn woman who did not listen to a good advice. Consequently, she encountered a painful situation. Before starting our story, please help to click subscribe if you are new to my channel. Wonderful, here is the story. The Stubborn Woman. Listen to others' advice as it can be for your good. Long time ago, there was a young couple lived in a big city. They married for years, but they had no children of their own. Every time they went to the park and saw children, the woman would begin to cry, "Oh my dear, these kids are so cute, I wish we would have one." One day, a fairy appeared in their house. She asked, "Why are you sad? What do you want?" The woman was relieved to see the fairy and shared her sadness with her. She said, "I want a loving son." The fairy thought for a moment and replied, "I can grant you a daughter." But the stubborn woman argued, "I only want a son." The fairy agreed and said, "I am giving you a son, but your stubbornness will bring you pain." The woman had a son and she was very happy. But the son grew up to be disobedient and dishonest. The woman realized that the fairy had a plan for her, but her stubbornness had brought her this fate.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.